In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Little Nightmares 2 co-op and whether or not it is possible to do this. So to answer this question and see if there is some sort of co-op or multiplayer inclusion in Little Nightmares 2, all that we have to do is go over to the official website for the game or visit the respective start pages for the game, so on Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, and so on. When you go over to the Bandai Namco website, you will be able to browse through the games page. You will see that there is a little summary. Little Nightmares 2 is a suspense adventure game in which you play as Mono, a young boy, and so on. Now, what you will notice is that if you browse through all of these bullet points, all of the key features, there will be no mention of multiplayer, even though some pictures actually include multiple, or rather two characters at once, as you can clearly see here. So what is the deal with Little Nightmares 2 and co-op or multiplayer? So like I said, if we go over to a start page of the game, once again we can browse through screenshots, videos, and we can browse through categories. So as you can see on Steam, the game is labeled as single player, and usually on Steam, if a game has some sort of multiplayer inclusion, it's going to be listed right under. So you would have single player and then followed by multiplayer, local co-op, split screen co-op, and so on. But in here, there is no mention at all. So what is the answer to the question in the title of this video? Sadly, as it stands today, as weird as this may seem, there is no co-op mode in Little Nightmares 2 at all. You will not be able to do any sort of multiplayer, neither local co-op nor online co-op. The game features two characters, Mono and Six. However, Six is entirely controlled by an AI and acts as the companion to Mono. It would be nice for you and a friend to play as each character, but as it stands today, the developers did not bother, and unless they add the mode in the near future, it is going to remain impossible to do so. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.